Hello and welcome to the Analystix Cost of Capital Calculator tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how to use the Cost of Capital Calculator, which is part of the Analystix Tools Excel add-ins package. You will learn how to input data and export the calculations to a spreadsheet. This tutorial refers only to the Cost of Capital calculation window. The tutorial for the beta, size premium and debt margin calculators are linked in the description down below. To open the Cost of Capital calculator, select Add-ins and click the Cost of Capital calculator icon on the toolbar. Now you can see the input fields of the various parameters. Begin by entering the input for the risk-free rate, tax rate, equity value, and debt value in the General Input section located at the top of the window. Then, enter the company beta and the equity risk premium, and afterwards, the size and specific risk premiums, which are optional. The last input is the debt margin of the company, the margin between the risk-free rate and the cost of debt of the company in the long term. Note, if you want to calculate only the cost of equity, the debt margin is not required. Also, you can see links to websites which provide information regarding the various inputs if you click on the Links to Cost of Capital Constituents Data button. Now click on the Calculate button, and you will see that the cost of equity and WACC calculations appear in the appropriate fields. In order to export the values and the calculations to a spreadsheet, click on the Output Cell field and select a cell on the spreadsheet. Now return to the Cost of Capital Calculator window. The cell you've selected will appear in the text field. You have three export options. The first is to export only the cost of equity and WACC values. The second is to export the inputs and the results. And the third is to export additional statistics from the helper calculators in case you use them. Click on the Export to Sheet button, and you will see the data pasted in the spreadsheet, beginning in the cell you've selected. Note that when using the second and third option, the cost of equity and WACC cells are formulas which are linked to the input cells. This has been the Cost of Capital Calculator tutorial. For full utilization of this add-in, I recommend also watching the beta, size premium, and debt margin calculators tutorials. Thank you for watching. For more information, visit the Analystix website.